welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here I am at the Christmas shop in the front of the store, and I'm looking at all of their clearance stuff, and I thought I'd take you with me, so come on guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, even from the very beginning, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Make sure and click that red button where it says subscribe, and click that notification bell twice where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so you can enjoy the shopping experience. So I'll see you at the end. So when you click that like button and full watch a video, this helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. I am absolutely loving their blue and white items. Look at the sunflower dishes. They are absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.